emergency warning system has issued a tornado warning for Bolivian Capital Territory, Spanish Coast State, until 7:15 p.m. Bolivian Standard Time. At 6:03 p.m. Bolivian Standard Time, a tornado was spotted crossing Highway 15 towards Union City, or heading southwest at 24 miles per hour. This is a life-threatening situation. Do not try to look at it. Move to the lowest floor of a sturdy building. If you are in a trailer, RV, or vehicle, abandon your vehicle and lay face down in a ditch. Use your hands to protect your head from flying debris. If a tornado is not moving, it is moving at you. Stay safe and protect yourself.